Hello everyone, it's been a while since I last made a video. Life got very busy. We bought a house and we had a little baby, and late night feeding little baby means I scroll social media quite a lot, and I got suckered in with an Instagram ad for Crafters Companion. So I thought I'd do an unboxing because I need some me time. So first off, it's packed really nicely. It's really snug and secure. They've used brown tape rather than plastic parcel tape, so like that. This video is not sponsored. I paid for it myself with my own money, and I bought the 18th Craft Companion 18th birthday party bag. It's a mystery tote worth £50 with goodies totaling over £150. And because I spent over 10 and over £50, I also got 2 freebies as well. So we'll find those in here too. I think what I'll do is take everything out of the box and then get rid of the box because it's quite chunky and I have a small table. So first off, oh yeah, better blur that out, that's got my address on it. There's a few little pamphlets in there. First by Find Your Hand Sparkle, which is everything that is going on at the minute with Crafters Companion and how they are celebrating. And a Feed Your Crafty Obsession, that's about the Club Inspire. So use a code to get 18% off your next order. I don't know if that's generic or not, it might not be, so code THANKYOU18, 18% off. I probably won't use it because I got a baby to pay for. One of my freebies was a crystal pen, just a pretty sparkly little pen. And somewhere in here are some, what were they? Some shut your flat tabs and, what are they called, tabs and labels? Yes, large ones. I think are for journaling. And here is a tote bag, which is very heavy and bulky. Oh, how is that sealed together? Is that tied together? There we go. So first off, I've got a dye and brush foam pad for popping all the little bitty bits from dyes. I don't think I've got one of those. They're in there. And ooh, some Spectrum Noir colour blend pencils. Are they water pencils? Wax-based pigment. They're really pretty though. In nice big tin. I'll find out all the prices as well, and I can post each price next to it. So pop that over here somewhere. And then we've got a new technology. Deep cut dye called Frame with Love. That's really pretty. And some thank you stamps and dies. So it's got the little stamps to put with the dies what goes across the middle. It's called Thank You for Everything Stamp and Die Set. That's what that makes. And ooh, insert pads. I think there's vellum in there as well. So it's 24 pages, page inserts, but they're all vellum ones, I think. They're pretty there for A6 or 4x6 cards. But yeah, in A6. Different colour vellums and little foiled frames. A piece of paper. I'm not sure what that's for. And then I've got a 2-piece die set called Cake Time. That's really big. That's cool. Oh, I like that. Twist and pop mechanism available. Oh no, it's all separately. But that's really cool. It's big like cupcake die. I like that. And then one called Galloping By, which has got it's got a little donkey. That's sweet. Little donkey and horses with dies and stamps as well. Little critters. There's loads in here. And then a Baroque Swirls, which is another die. Nice background one. I think it's 2-piece too, so you've got the frame and then the inside. And what I failed to realise on the front of the package is you can actually interweave a ribbon through the design. And another Many Thanks die. I'm not sure if I've got that one or not. I've got one similar to that. That's a pop-up one, so it does the inside of the card. Don't think I've got that. And I know I do have this because I got it last time I think I went to Doncaster. And I got a big set. This is a springtime magazine. Don't think Mum's got it, so I might give it to her or my mother-in-law. But yeah, that's got loads of dies and stamps and everything in there. It's really pretty. But I do have that one. Ooh. I think. Oh no, we've got some Spectrum Noir Tri-Blend brushes in Summer Sun colours. Coral blend, true blue blend, and gold yellow blend. They're really pretty. And then the tote bag. So now I'm really chuffed with that. That was really, really good. I think originally it was selling for £158, so 50 quid, and actually down to 47 because I bought it with the Bronze Club. It's really, really good. So there we go. Now, in case you were wondering, I did do the maths. Some items I couldn't find the full prices for. I think they might be discontinued. But it does come to actually under £150. I'm not too bothered. I still got a lot for my money and I'm happy with what I got. I also didn't factor in the cost of the tote bag, but at least you now know. I hope to make more videos and see you all soon. Bye!